好啦，呢個我知道辛苦啲啊。上次咧我哋做咗一半啦，Aiden，Hello Aiden，
睇得滯啊，真得係嘛？
係啊，調轉啦。
誒，
好啦，上次我哋寫咗啲，喂，我揾唔到你呢張嚟，你去咗邊度？你嗰啲張係你自己嘅喎，但係我唔知你擺咗去邊。你冇做到，我又唔知你擺咗去邊。好啦，咁我哋有佢啦，因為吓唔係啊呢度。咁 anyway 啦，咁 Aiden 你都有兩張，第一個字我哋講咗啦，alien 啦，第二個係波，跟住咧 base。
我做過 alien
咁
咯，
你唔見咗嗰張紙咯，我就話俾你聽。
喺屋企啊，
Soccer，跟住 kite，kite 應該都識串嘅，下一個係 plane，咁你仲串個 plane 俾我睇啊？plane 我哋上次好似未寫嘅 plane，唉，好好啊，係 root three 嚟嘅，下一個係 robot，robot，robot，把 robot，robot，把 robot，robot。
得
好，下一個 teddy bear，呢個睇下使唔使藍色都有佢喎，係啊，我哋一齊拼下咯，一齊
T，
Ted，Ted，Ted，
嗯好
Ted，跟住
，T
D，
E 啊嘛
係啊
，D
，Ted 唔係喎，D 就 T 啦嘛，我哋冇 TDB 啊，唔係 T 喎，Ted，
呢個咪擦紙膠啦，
唔係啊，呢個唔係 Ted，Ted，
OK，咩嚟㗎？
呢個。
咩？
head 唔係 T 係 Ted，係啊 Ted 係，跟住 D 啦喎，D 點樣 D 啊？大二點啊？大喎先生，Ted 係一卡火車
，D，
，Ted 係一卡火車，大二 D 係下一卡火車，明唔明白？咩嚟啊？呢個唔知咩事。bear 咧，bear 識唔識啱？Teddy bear 唔使大街噶啦，細街得噶啦。好啦，係啊，OK，好，跟住咧就到呢張紙，Aiden 都有啦
跆
，OK，
拳道啊，
加油
我
啊，
考白帶啊，
勁喎。
考白帶咋，
哦，下一個係 train，我哋寫第一個
我考
train，
白帶，聽日
加油啦，train，train 我哋點拼啊？train 係啊，
得，
哇，你不過褪咗位喎，係個位，係啊，灰色嗰度，灰色嗰度。係
少寫落嚟，
點解咧？好，balloon 上次問咗啦，咁但係咧，你會唔會想問下 balloon 啊？上次 Ada 問咗 balloon 啦、bike 啦、bus 啦都問咗嘅。好，咁你幫我問
係
heli，
起啫嘛，
OK，幫我問 helicopter 咯喎，今次 hel 係一個學生。
抹咗啦，係
helicopter。好啦，咁我哋等 Ada 啊，hel 一齊拼啦，寫一次啦，hel。
我唔識。
OK。Hel
Helicopter，
helicopter，OK，
top
ter 係
top
helicopter，下一個都係上次先學嘅
more
monster，monster，
穿咗啦，
啲姐姐，幫我攞開個咪落嚟，有邊個？monster，
我已經穿咗啦，
好，又嚟串咗係咪？monster。Mon 係 monster，monster 等等，跟住下一個 basketball，上次串咗啦 basketball 係咪？car 又識啦
我已經
，truck
穿，我穿咗，
係咪㗎？
係
track 我哋查邊兩個英文字母
basketball 未算。
？basketball 反而未選，佢 B 字係喎，bus bus 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 bus， 查查先啦。basket 啊，唔係 唔係 basket 啊。你查查先好唔好？唔好咁心急啦。BAS 你用咗嘛？cat 咧？係咯，波咯，係咪？所以唔好咁心急啦，係嘛？好啦
加寫個字，
，truck truck
寫咗啦。
truck 好，你話我聽啦，truck
TI
做乜寫到咁啊？OK，你阻住啦。
仲好咧。
好啦，truck 最後一個 motorbike， motorbike 係最後
我
啦。
呢個位
唔緊要啊，有啱噶啦，motorbike。
冇
毛咯，麻乜嘢先毛到啊？麻毛毛 very good motor 個幾唔係個醫生個 doctor 咧個 doctor 喎 doctor 個啊 doctor 個係邊個啊？doctor 個係邊個啊？doctor 個係 OR 啊嘛，EL 係牙齒。EL 係牙齒係咪？IL 係雀仔，UL 係紫色係咪？咁呢個 motorbike
跛
點解無啦啦大街咧？呢個咩字嚟啊？bike 喂，唔好亂嚟先。bike 係 OK，記得呢個係 doctor 嘅啦，好冇？嗱，下詞語寫得咁核突㗎。好，我哋今日學生嘅生字，我哋學啲 sports。
好多未
sports 咧
睇
係咧，
啊。
係喲咩啊？上次我哋都有睇，係咪？
上次冇睇。
你喺度嘅上次就有睇啦，好冇？因為我哋都而家 start 就少啲會睇 The Pulse 㗎啦。
唔係 Rufus 咩？
未 Rufus，你快啲轉用 Rufus 啦，好唔好？
比基尼。
嚇，聽唔到
比基尼。
嚇？咩零咩話
比基尼。
？Beginning of what？
Start。
Beginning of the starters？我哋而家咪係 starters 多嘅咩？好啦，我哋得意啲啦，今日用呢個。
Magic Finger 已經係 Fires，我已經讀緊噶喎。
你讀緊 Flyers 啊？
我讀緊 Fires 嘅書啦，已經。
我嘅書，咁但係識唔識做㗎嗰啲工作
唔
紙？
識啊，一個 Magic Fingers 街有功課有咩？
讀你就冇問題啦，都係嗰個
有
啦。
Magic Fingers 嗰啲
冇
，Magic
check 到
Finger 有啲功課就去俾我哋睇下我哋有咩人，然後咧就要係連翻線咯，係真嘅。
明
冇
白。
講笑㗎，係真。
我冇話你講笑，係咯，都叻叻啊，學下生字咯，係咪？好啦，咁我哋 sports 咧，今個禮拜有呢個喎，望一望先，有啲咩運動咧？除咗之前我哋學嘅 baseball、basketball，仲有一個新嘅球類運動。
V 寫嘅，
唔係啊，
但係點解好似大咗啲嘅啲字？
我放大咗啫，係咪啊？
你
好，
放大
咁第一個係咩活動嚟㗎？咩球類啊？badminton 係 badminton 咧，badminton 佢係咧咁啊，Ada 唔識啊嘛，好冇？等一等啦，我哋快講啦，好冇？你唔想學知道？咁我哋等一等啦。嗱，咁你聽住先啦，我淨係同阿 Ada 講啦，好冇？ 把 badminton 啊，badminton 係嘅球嚟嘅，球我哋係羽毛球，因為佢前面咧有個唔講啦，我哋唔講嘢住啊。係啦，bad 嘅，下一個係 beach 吧，beach 海灘係 root two 嚟嘅，boat 船 bounce 咧係拍波拍籃球，我哋叫 bounce 係咪？咁呢個 ou 啦，ou 係好痛嗰個 out 啦，記得都打完籃球我哋跳舞，因為後面嗰個 bounce。drawing 記得係畫線條喎，得唔得？唔係油顏色，係畫線條啦，又唔係咧油畫就用個 paintbrush 嘅，佢 drawing 咧就係畫啫，得唔得？下一個 drive 係 rule three 嚟嘅，咁啊揸車啦都撥咗落去咧運動嗰度啦。enjoy，OK 呢個咧係啦，我哋咧個 enjoy 我哋讀法上面其實係 enjoy 好短嘅嘅聲音啦，咁但係咧串咧可以 enjoy，其實讀 enjoy 即係好享受咁解。He enjoys singing very much， 所以而家就唱歌啦。Fishing 係解釣魚啦，OK 呢個活動記得要加埋 ing 係咧釣魚咯喎。Football 以前講過啦，足球。好啦，game 即係點樣咧
我真係知。
？game 咧係啦，game 其實咧係遊戲啦，不過除咗解遊戲咧，仲可以所有嘅球類運動我哋都叫做 game 喎。例如 basketball game 啦、badminton game 啦，係咪啊？football game 啦，唔係真係玩嗰啲遊戲喎。下一個比較難串嘅吉他，個 U 冇聲音嘅，假一吉他啊，吉他中文英文都係吉他，即係彈嗰啲啦。hobby 即係有咩？你有咩嘢嗜好㗎？咁啊，希望你唔好逗我睇電視瞓覺啦嚇。通常如果人哋問你，What's your hobby？咁你可以話 I like singing, dancing, or reading. Yeah, you like drawing, so this is my hobby 係咪啊？These are my hobbies。OK，咁所以你記得人哋問你咧，你要咁樣答咯噃。Hockey 係新嘅嚇，我 hockey key。Magic key 個 key，咁咩係 hockey 同 badminton？我哋望下好。係啦，hockey 係 ice hockey 啦，或者草地嘅 hockey 啦。嗱，草地或者硬地就有呢個波嘅。如果係 ice hockey 就一片嘢嗰個叫 puck 啦，OK， 一片嘢就唔係波咁嘅，OK。
要着溜冰鞋先打咯。
嗰啲就 ice hockey 咯，嗱係啦，冰上面就係扁嘅，OK。咁 badminton 我哋點串啊？bad 先啦，badminton，OK。羽毛球呢個羽毛嚟嘅，得唔得？
網球咧？
網球就普通 tennis tennis 呢個就網球啦。我哋其實都學過啲嘅，仲有陣間都會見到嘅 table tennis 就網球 table， 哇，佢同咧個地下一模一樣，不過咧變咗張台啊，所以 table tennis 真係叫乒乓波啦，得唔得？係啦，點解啊？
因為係換咗一年一度都會有一個活動，會有啲老師過嚟教我哋咯。但係而家好似冇。
所以就冇學到啦。
我哋都有嘅，我報咗啦。
好啊，咁你有時間就再玩乒乓波。下一個 music 即係音樂啦，係咪？Photos 呢個我哋就用力吹嘅 ph 啦，把 o photo 係啊，你有機會可以喺同爸爸打下咯，係咪啊？好，下一個 P 排 N 跟住 O 後面 O 係 ruling 嚟嘅 piano 即係咧鋼琴 piano，OK 排 piano，OK playing 即係咧玩啦，係咪？或者咧頭先我哋就話啦，
冇張台，
我幫你唔到喎，
我要借換咗嗰啲。
play the game 啦，play the football game 啦，basketball game 啦，好啦，所以唔係淨係玩嘅吓。Ride 咧就 ride a horse 啦，ride a bike 啦，沙係 sand 啦，seashell 呢啲應該都識㗎啦，係咪？Shell 即係個貝殼啦。skateboard 認下個字就得啦，skateboard 即係嗰啲滑板。Soccer 學咗啦，song 係唱歌嗰首歌星啊 song 啦。Sports 即係咧呢個係一個運動叫做 sport，幾個運動就 sports。最後 swimming 游水，記得咧 swimming 呢個字比較特別啲，要兩個 M 喎。我哋之後先至再教點解係兩個 M 先。Table tennis 頭先講咗 tennis 講咗，最後一個 tennis racket， 咩叫 tennis racket？racket 所有嘅 racket 咧其實就係拍嚟嘅。OK， 頭先你話屋企仲有拍咧，我就話 racket 就係拍啦。OK， 有羽毛球拍、乒乓球拍、網球拍係咪？咁所有拍咧，我哋都叫做 racket。咁今個禮拜有少少多啦，咁啊加油啦，好唔好？跟住咧，我哋做個 listening 先。去啊！咁咧 Alpha 就冇嘅，咁啊預備咗喺呢度，咁啊你可以 print 啊 Aiden 啊係啦 ，Aiden 就冇嘅，咁麻煩 print 咗先至做呢個 listening 啦。咁我哋冇咁悶，做咗個 tick 先啦。你想做呢個咪做呢個先，上次你話唔想做呢個先啊嘛。你想啊，好啊，可以啊。冇計啊！好，呢個係呢一份 G2嘅呢份卷啊。咁記得啦，我哋嗰個咧，數目字係幾多到幾多啊？數目字我哋1至10，1至10咁少？
唔係1至20，
係
5至10啊嘛。
1至20，咁跟住仲有咩注意啊？啲名嗰啲點啊？
大街定細街？
係啦，咁你識啦，係咪？好，咁我哋播啦噃，記得要聽example啦。
都係跑數字。
Part 2. Look at the picture. Listen and write
A name or a number. There are 2 examples.
Hello. What's your name? Alex. Is that ALEX? Yes, it is. How old are you, Alex? I'm 9. 9? That's right.
Can you see the answers? Now you listen and write a name or a number. 1. Is that your friend? Yes, her name's Kim. How do you spell that? Kim. 2. Where does she live? In Sun Street. Is that SUN? Yes, that's a good name.
Okay,
3. What number is her house? 15. She lives at number 15? Yes, she does. 4. How old is she? She's 10 now. Is she? 10? Yes, it's her birthday today. 5. Does she like animals? Yes, she does. She's got a dog. What's its name? Happy. Is that Happy? Yes, it is. Now listen to part 2 again. 1. Is that your friend? Yes. Her name's Kim. How do you spell that? K-I-M.
What the name of
2.
his friend? Kim.
Where does she live? In Sun Street. Is that S-U-N? Yes. That's a good name. 3. What number is her house? 15. She lives at number 15? Yes, she does. 4. How old is she? She's 10 now. Is she? 10? Yes, it's her birthday today. 5. Does she like animals? Yes, she does. She's got a dog. What's its name? Happy. Is that Happy? Yes, it is.
好啦，咁啱頭咧寫完之後有咩問題咧？嗱，
That is the end of part 2.
寫到咁樣咧，如果係就冇分啦。另外我唔理佢寫咩字體嘅咩事咧，咁啊全部都冇大街係咪啊？頭先我咪話啦，所有嘅名英文都要大街嘛，係咪啊？冇晒分啦，就算你聽得串得啱都好。佢你呢個咧一模一樣高度，唔可以越大街喎，係咪啊？我話喎，尤其是呢啲 K 咧，K 就係一模一樣噶嘛，你要寫得好大噶嘛，係咪啊？OK，你明唔明白？譬如手寫啦，我手寫俾你睇啦，你一模一樣高度咧，咁樣係咪唔係大街咯？咁你呢個你寫到有，即係點都大好多啦，好冇？點解都要咁樣㗎？係咪？所以個 S 又係一模一樣，你就大好多啦。H 你就算寫錯咗唔緊要，H 嘅大家係咁㗎嘛，係咪啊？你寫到一樣高我都唔話你啦，明唔明啊？因為佢係個大家 H 啊嘛，OK？好，聽埋後邊，加油啊！聽埋我哋休息一陣啊。
Page 3. Look at the pictures. Listen and look. There is one example. What's May drinking?
What are you drinking, May? Is it milk?
No, I don't like milk.
Is it pineapple juice?
No, I've got lemonade. Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. What's Ben's favourite animal? Do you like animals, Ben? I like monkeys. Do you like lizards? No, they're ugly. But spiders are my favourite. 2. What is Anna drawing?
What are you drawing, Anna? Is it a house?
No, look.
Oh, yes, it's a car.
No, it's a boat in the sea. 3. Where's Nick's mouse? Have you seen my mouse, Mum? It's not in the box. Is it on the mat? No, it isn't. Oh, I can't find it. Oh, look! It's sitting on that bookcase. 4. What's grandfather doing now? Is your grandfather sleeping in the garden? No, he isn't. Is he reading then? No, he's playing football now. 5. Which is Sam's picture? Is this your picture of a bus, Sam? No, it's my sister's. Whose is this picture of a helicopter? It's my brother's. This is my picture, the truck. Now listen to part 3 again.
好，唔使聽多次啦，咁不如
One.
咧睇下
What's Ben's favourite animal?
個 favorite animal。
Do you like animals, Ben? I like monkeys.
最中意嘅就係 spider 係咪？跟住佢 draw 緊個 boat，跟住呢個咧佢就擺咗上去個 bookcase 上面啦，係咪？跟住佢 grandfather 做緊乜嘢啊？踢波係咪咧？我都 miss 咗啊！頭先我做緊嘢，我哋係咁要聽翻最後兩條啦，對唔住啊，你聽唔聽啊？
我聽咗啊，你跟住
Sorry
啦。
睇下先
5.
，5咗先，
Which is Sam's picture?
知道。
Is this your picture of a bus, Sam? No, it's my sister's. Whose is this picture of a helicopter? It's my brother's. This is my picture, the truck.
This is my picture 啦，係咪？
呢個
跟住嗰個 OK，好肯定係收。
Listen to part 3 again.
知道，好啊，唔該晒你啊，阿 Sa。係啦，阿 Sa 話係呢個踢波波嗰個。
我寫咗，我寫咗。
OK，踢波波嗰個 OK，咁啊有機會再做啦，我哋。咁啊，阿 Sa 頂唔順啊，阿 Sa 唞一唞啦，我哋好冇？唞5分鐘，跟住翻嚟先。好，阿 Sa 同 Aiden，我哋今日咧學 Unit 14，嗱識少少得噶啦。我知呢個咧對於你哋嚟講咧有少少難啦，不過我想你哋學下呢個 term 就叫 have got，OK？Have got， 你其實有任何嘢咧，我哋都可以叫 have got 嘅。I have got a pen，I have got an eraser，I have got a pencil case，係咪啊 ？Have 同埋 have got 咧，其實用法一樣，不過咧我會覺得用 have got 會好啲，所以你哋盡量試下改口 I have got，OK？因為咧你着緊啲乜嘢咧，你好難話俾人聽 I have a shirt 咁樣啦。假設呢個 hoodie，I have a hoodie， 咁樣講唔通喎，係咪啊？所以如果你話咧我着緊係 I've got hoodie。Okay, I've got a hoodie. You've got a jacket. 直接就可以話俾人聽咧，你係有兼且着緊啦，得唔得？咁所以用多啲 have got 咯喎。I U V day 咧，其實都係用 have 嘅，但係幾時會用 has 啊 a 啊 up 啊？幾時？好啦，呢個學校咯喎，原來 he she it 嘅時候，he she it 嘅時候，影住你啦，好醜怪呢個樣。he she it 嘅時候就會用 has 啦。咁呢個 Aiden 應該可能都就嚟學咯喎，係咪啊？我哋除咗 he she it 會跟 is 之外咧，原來咧 he she it 咧都會用 has 嘅。咁我哋學多少少就 has got 即係有啦。所以例如呢句咯喎，我請 Alpha 幫我讀咯喎，佢有隻狗狗，咁點講咧？He has got
a dog。
he 係男孩子啦，男孩子他啦，女孩子她咧，she has got a dog， 佢咧有隻狗喎。然之後咧，當然啦，隻狗唔會有隻狗啦，係咪？隻狗咧有骨頭，咁所以咧
has bones。
，it has got bones， 佢有咧好多骨骨食啦，OK？It 可以解死物添啦嚇，視乎咧，譬如呢個 it has got a cover 係咪啊？即係呢個擦膠咧有呢個套嘅，it has got a cover 都可以喎，得唔得？
鉛筆同埋擦紙膠都適合。
咁另外咧，UV day 我哋就用 have got 可以啦。然之後學多少少咯喎，如果冇啊，冇就難講啲嘞噃。有就 has have got 啦，冇咧，我哋試下讀下啦喎。我冇啊，係啦，I haven't got。你有冇錢？I haven't got money。我冇錢啊，I haven't got money。佢冇喎，佢冇，he hasn't got。我哋 has 咧，今次就變 hasn't 啦。he she 都係 hasn't 啦，得唔得啊？咁所以 she hasn't got， it hasn't got。OK， 其他都係 haven't got，知唔知？人哋如果問你喎，have you got a dog？Have you got a dog？ 咁你點答啊？No。咦，錯晒，I haven't got。
haven't got a
係，記
dog。
得係 I haven't got 啦，因為 he she 先至用 has 啊嘛，知唔得啊？咁所以你記得人哋問你，你就話 I haven't got， 得唔得？咁咧呢個咧略教啫，好冇略教啫。咁我哋呢個最後仲有10幾分鐘啦，我哋做一份卷啦。咁咧呢個咧就已經係最係啦。
我想做份，
唔想做呢份好，因為我都預備咗另一份俾大家。
好難，好難啊！Brush it。
係啦，首先我哋做下呢個係啦，真係唔好意思，我有顏色，你哋嗰個冇顏色，唉，算啦，呢個仔俾。好呢個。我哋順住次序，因為差唔多都學晒所有真字啦。好，呢個第一張紙紙嘅，同你哋之前嘅嘢係差唔多嘅，不過呢個係佢 official 俾出嚟嘅一個 workbook 啦，所以我就俾你哋做咯喎。OK， 同之前一樣，tick tick 叉叉咯喎，咁放下 Justice 個官方出嘅公仔咯喎。OK，this is a fish，yes，this is a sausage，梗係唔係啦。OK，呢個咧。
Coconut。
係，this is a coconut。coconut 係咁樣嘅，原來有機會毛層層啦，係咪啊？
Flower。結束。No sound。有 sound。呢個沙字開始。嘅 sound no sound。
去到邊度？跟住 this is a 好啊 ，this is a banana， 弟弟 ，this is a carrot，
點解你有
this is a potato， 咁嘅唔係啦。This is a mango， 耶！嗱 mango 型啊，佢係綠綠紅紅咁樣嘅，OK。
顏色。
好啦，後邊咯喎，後邊咧其實係 oral speaking 嚟嘅，OK。 例如乜嘢啊？Anne asked her friends what they would like for their lunch. Look at the pictures and talk about them. 好啦，Anne 就問你咯喎，What would you like for lunch？望下呢個咯喎，嗱，Ada 冇辦法啦，下次同你做翻好冇？What would you like for lunch，Alex？你想食啲乜嘢啊？你個午餐，咁你要答翻人哋啦。I would like some bread，因為麵包係數唔到嘅，所以我哋咧小心啲，我哋會用 some 去形容嘅。some 咧數都數唔到都得嘅，除非呢度係一隻雞蛋，淨一題你一隻雞蛋，我哋用咩咯？好啦，跟住繼續啦喎，Arthur，Oliver，去啊，時間
啊，係咪 Ollie？
唔係啊，佢攰啊，佢想落堂啊嘛，冇辦法啦，等多陣啦。係咪食唔食得啊？
俾粒呢
唔
個
得。
大啲糖，點知等你醒啲。一粒食得啦。等分醒啊！
加油啊！最後啦呢度。Would you like? What would you like for lunch, Grace？咁呢個係咩嚟㗎？咁麻煩咧。French fries，咁你要完整句子喎，你點講啊？I would like some French fries。咁麻煩你幫我寫翻佢啦，good stop 得唔得？幫我寫翻佢，同埋要讀下咯喎。你幫我寫啊，因為 French fries 好多條啦，咁所以唯有要用個心啦。I would like 寫細少少咯，你知唔知啊？唔使咁大力嘅，因為好攰咯。做咩食詞字啊你？I would like 照抄啫嘛，你呢個好冇？like 咧，咁 like 咧，唔可以睇得咁核突啦！你小學嘛，知唔知啊？寫到飛起，你就嚟小學啦。如果咁，好醜怪咯。係啦，老師肯定打你大交叉。個心字串乜嘢啊？SOME 係咪？
寫咗
呢個咩字嚟㗎？係啊，
啡花，
係啊
啡花，
，French fries。
係啡花。我寫咗做乜嘅 answer？
係咯，你寫啲字字。好，下一句咯噃，呢度得一隻雞蛋啫，OK？What would you like for lunch, Ben？
I want to eat one egg。
啊，人哋問你 What would you like，咁你點答人哋啊
I
I
would
would
eat one egg。
I would like an egg。我哋唔會 one egg 咁咪得啦。I would like an egg，係咪？
one
點解係唔可以咁樣講喎？咁樣冇禮貌喎。人哋問你 What would you like，你唔會話 I want an egg 咁㗎。I would like，好冇？喺外國人眼中，I want 係好冇禮貌㗎，唔可以無啦啦講 I want，嘟 I want，嘟，知唔知？I would like an egg。因為蛋真係得一隻啫，OK？好啦，跟住呢個咯，我哋口講，你翻屋企自己串埋寫埋啦喎。What would you like for lunch, Joe？ 你點啫？I would like
ice cream。
I would like some ice cream。
one ice
都話唔好 I want to 咯，好唔好啊？I would like some ice cream，得唔得？翻屋企自己寫啦。唔係好容易啊！人哋點問你，你點答人哋？唔可以話 I want 咯，得唔得？因為冇禮貌咯，會解釋咗俾你聽咯。我講咗點解啦？你有冇聽啊？
有。
係咯，因為冇禮貌咯。What would you like for lunch, Phil？ 一個啤梨啫。I would like
like
a pear.
pear.
What would you like for lunch, Lucy? I would like
apple.
呢個 tomato 嚟嘅，OK？咁翻去自己寫埋佢咯喎，OK？
哦，呢個 tomato，呢個 tomato 好似蘋果。
好，最後啦，真係啦，我知道好攰啦，好望一望就算啦。咁咧，我哋今日做 part 4啦，因為用咗啲時間做嗰個，我哋都好少一齊做其他 part 嘅。咁我哋淨係做 part 2 yes no yes no 好唔好？做完個 yes no 我哋就走啦。做埋個 yes no 我哋就走啦。
即係兩個。
係啦。好，淨係做 yes no 呢部分啦，OK？
我會做成。
好，呢度
我做成。
可以，咁啊做埋前面個 tick 啦。
Yes, yes, no, yes。我而家做呢度。
哦，好啊。
And
This is a handbag。係啦。好，望下先。A cat is sitting on the floor. Yes, there is a box on the table. No.
has
An old woman is sleeping in an armchair. 呢啲叫 armchair 記得啦，係咪？但係佢係咪 sleeping 啊 ？No. The boy has got 嗱，呢度都係啦，我哋啱學咗 has got，即係有啦，係咪啊？Has got his hands on his ears 係咪好好用咧？如果有就好奇怪啦，如果冇 has got 嘅話係咪啊？如果 the boy has his hands on his ears 就怪怪地啦，所以 has got 咧用喺邊度都得。He has got his hands on his ears 係啦。
table。
There is a picture of some flowers on the wall。係啦，OK 個 picture 係 family 啊嘛。最後啦 ，There is a motorbike between two cars。我哋默語 motorbike yes between 係中間。We can see a lamp on the table。Yes，其實係 yes 嚟嘅。哦，嗱呢一張圖係衰嘅，不嬲我都覺得。
我以為喺個地下。
如果喺地下就喺呢度啦，所以係，唉，係好難睇嘅呢個。好，唔緊要，所以呢個不嬲我都冇話佢一定都啱定唔啱嘅，OK，冇問題啦，呢個example 嚟啫，記得吓，冇所謂啦，呢個我自己做咗咁多次咧，我都唔記得，因為係啦，我對咗咁多次，因為次總有係 yes 同 no 睇到都睇唔清楚喺邊度啦，好冇？咁啊，好啊。你等去邊啊？咁啊，今個禮拜都係2份，咁啊舊卷嚟講咧已經係最後噶啦。下一次我哋主力咧就做頭先嗰個 activity booklet 啦，好冇？咁啊做完之後就會全份卷，仲有 part 5去做啦。咁我哋落堂啦，拜拜，拜拜 Aiden。